The rise of renewable energy is a pivotal development in the quest for sustainable and environmentally friendly power sources. This video will explore the various types of renewable energy, their benefits, challenges, and the role they play in shaping a sustainable future. Solar energy. Harnessing the power of the sun through photovoltaic cells and solar panels, solar energy is a widely accessible and increasingly cost-effective source of renewable energy. Wind energy. Utilizing wind turbines to convert wind into electricity, wind energy is one of the fastest-growing renewable energy sources, particularly in areas with strong and consistent winds. Hydroelectric energy. Generating electricity from the movement of water through dams or flowing rivers, hydroelectric energy is a long-established and reliable source of renewable power. Biomass energy. Converting organic materials like plant and animal waste into energy, biomass energy offers a way to utilize waste products sustainably. Geothermal energy. Tapping into the Earth's internal heat to generate electricity and provide heating, geothermal energy is a consistent and reliable energy source, particularly in geologically active regions. The benefits of renewable energy. Environmental sustainability. Renewable energy sources produce little to no greenhouse gas emissions, helping to mitigate climate change and reduce air pollution. Energy security. Diversifying energy sources with renewables reduces dependence on fossil fuels and enhances energy security by using domestically available resources. Economic growth. The renewable energy sector creates jobs in manufacturing, installation, maintenance, and research, contributing to economic growth and innovation. Resource availability. Renewable energy sources are abundant and inexhaustible, unlike finite fossil fuels, ensuring a sustainable energy supply for the future. Intermittency. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are dependent on weather conditions, leading to variability in energy production. High initial costs. The installation of renewable energy systems often requires significant upfront investment, although costs have been decreasing steadily. Storage solutions. Effective energy storage systems are needed to store excess energy produced during peak times for use during periods of low production. Infrastructure development. Upgrading the existing energy infrastructure to accommodate renewable energy sources requires significant investment and planning. Advanced solar panels. Innovations in solar panel efficiency and materials, such as perovskite solar cells, are making solar energy more efficient and affordable. Offshore wind farms. Offshore wind technology harnesses stronger and more consistent winds over the ocean, increasing the potential for wind energy production. Energy storage systems. Developments in battery technology, such as lithium-ion and solid-state batteries, improve energy storage capacity and efficiency. Smart grids. Smart grid technology enhances the efficiency and reliability of energy distribution, integrating renewable energy sources into the existing grid. Government policies. Supportive policies, subsidies, and incentives from governments can accelerate the adoption of renewable energy technologies. Community projects. Community-led renewable energy projects, such as local solar farms or wind cooperatives, empower communities and promote sustainable practices. International collaboration. Global cooperation and knowledge sharing among countries can drive innovation and implementation of renewable energy solutions. Public awareness. Increasing public awareness and education about the benefits of renewable energy can encourage individual and collective action. Towards sustainability. Renewable energy integration. The integration of various renewable energy sources into a cohesive and reliable energy system will be crucial for the transition to sustainable energy. Technological advancements. Ongoing research and development in renewable energy technologies will continue to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and overcome current challenges. Visuals of public awareness campaigns and educational programs. Future prospects. Graphics showing projections of renewable energy growth and integration. Footage of research labs, innovative technologies, and global renewable energy initiatives. Conclusion. Forward-looking statement about the potential of renewable energy to create a sustainable future. End with a positive and inspiring message about collective action towards renewable energy adoption.